Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Chrysler 300C. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, and fully automatic headlights. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.